Welcome back guys, this is the part 4 of library inventory project, and in this video I will show you how to create a delete functionality. In part 3 we created the view functionality. What I'll do is I'll just close this for now and I'll go to the coding HTML. Here what I'll do is I'll add one model here. So what you can do, you can go to your Chrome and you can add this bootstrap model 5. Go inside this, just you can copy this, just go and paste it here. Once you paste it here, give this as id model delete book details. This is the your model and all. For this title, change it and write delete book. Same way we haven't done for this one, I guess. So for this, write view, which we view book. Okay, now we'll go again here for delete. Okay, you are here for p, you need to write are you sure you want to delete question mark. There is two buttons here, remove this button. Okay, and here you can add one id, give this id name as btn book data delete. This is secondary, so you have to change it as btn danger. Okay, and the close will be yes button. Okay, let's save it. You have to go here in a script, and here you have to create one function, but before creating one function you have to data book details, same way which you have added here in a part 3, same way you have to add it here. So add that here, and on click event on click is equal to single quotes, it will be on click delete data will be this. Save it, go to the bottom, create one function. The function name will be same as this one. Okay, so just go here, this will be delete clicked value. So guys, we have created the function same way, what we are getting is deleted click value, same way which we are getting the view click value. So same way we have to create a one variable here. But the variable, you have to get the data from this one. Okay, here we are getting the data from this index from this variable. Here we have to get the index from this parameter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll create one where data book details is equal to parse int deleted click value dot data set dot book, this one only. So just paste it here. Okay, now we have to show the pop-up. Okay, go here, double quotes, hash, the pop-up which we have created for delete. You have to copy the id of that here. Okay, dot show. Okay, now save it. Let's go here and let's check. So let's go and let's click on this. Now you can see this, you are getting the pop-up to delete the book. Just some spelling mistake, will try to resolve that. But you can see the pop up here to delete the book. So what you have to do is Now once you click on this, the data of this selected book should get deleted. So what you have to do, go here, and whatever you have getting the data in a scope, this function, you have getting the index in this function. Okay, what you have to do is you have to create this variable globally. Okay, you are going to create this variable globally here, and after, you have to remove this var from here and from here as well. Okay, after coming here, you have to create another function, creating another function on pop pop up click delete, and there will be this array book details which we have created. Here you have to get the data, you have to splice it, data book details 1, and after this, local storage dot set item, double quotes, book details, json dot stringify array book details. Now this local storage variable which we have created is equal to json dot parse local storage dot get item book details, and we have to append data to table. We have to run that function which we have created in the part 1. We have to append the data again. Okay, storage and double quotes, same way, copy this, paste it here, and click on hide. Sorry, so we have missed this, you have to add this also. So guys, we are done with coding. What we have done, if I'll have to make you understand in in a better way, is once we are on this page, we are able to click on this, we are able to get the pop-up, but we are getting the pop-up, but we are also getting the index of an selected array. Okay, this is the array, we are getting the index here also. So if I'll go here, if I'll write this console dot log, and if I have to write it here, save. Now if I'll go here, if I'll go to console, just okay, if I'll go to console, and now if I'll click on this, you'll able to see the 0. Okay, same way, if I'll click on this, you are able to see the 6. So this is how it is working, and you're getting the index of a selected array here. Then after that, you will be running this function which will be on the on click event of this on click. Okay, this one you have to add here. Okay, I'll save it, and once you click on this pop-up, you are getting the index here. You have flagged that you have made that variable as a global variable, so you are getting the index in a global level. Then what you are doing is you are getting that variable, you are splicing the array which you are getting the array on the page load. Okay, you are getting that array in a page load, but because you can't get the local storage array variable, so you are getting the array variable which is not with the local storage but your own array variable. uh, then after that, what you are doing this, after splicing your array, you are setting your local storage with your array which is have a splice data which you have removed. And after that, what you are doing is, again, whatever is in the local storage, you are again appending, or maybe you are uh, declaring into your local storage variable. After that, you are running the append, this function which is append array data to table, which we have created in a part 1, which is here. And it requires the array variable only, so you are passing the array local storage variable here, and you are hiding the pop-up. So that is how it is working. You forgotten this hash, so I just added this hash as well. So you have to go here, you have to go again to the Chrome. Let's refresh this, and if you click on this, it will ask, are you sure you want to delete? If I'll click on yes, your data got deleted. Now if I'll refresh this, you are able to see 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I'll click on fourth one, are you sure you want to delete? If I'll click on yes, the fourth ID will get deleted. Also with this, there's one function which we have created, on click event function which we have created. We have to add that here. So what you have to do is just go here, this model close, copy this, paste it here. But I guess this should be get deleted also. Should also get hide, but I don't know. This is, so we are hiding this view data, and you have to hide, sorry guys, just you have to hide this one here. You have to hide this one. So let's save it and let's see again if it is working fine. I'll refresh this. Once I click on this, if I click on this again, the pop-up will get closed. If I'll click again on this third one, are you sure you want to delete? If I click on yes, the data got deleted. If I'll refresh this again, the deleted data, for which was third one, is gone. So guys, that is it from my end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with part 5th of this series. Thank you and bye.